Watch now. Why do winter storms always hit when we least expect it? Central New York, prepare yourselves. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for Central New York starting today, February 8th, from 4 p.m. until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're expecting 4 to 7 inches of snow, with Syracuse likely getting around 5 inches. Snowfall rates could reach an inch per hour, so be prepared for heavy accumulations. And if you're in Oswego or Oneida counties, expect lake effect snow warnings with up to 7 inches in some areas. Winds gusting up to 35 mph will create blowing snow and dangerous conditions. Stay safe and avoid unnecessary travel. Keep updated with local news for the latest information. Central New York, brace yourselves for a snowy weekend.